Hey guys, welcome back to day 7 of ethical hacking. In today's video, we will learn about how to install different tools that we can explore for Reconnaissance. Alright, so this video will be a last video on Reconnaissance. After that, we will be going on scanning. Alright, so make sure you understand this part because in ethical hacking, you need to explore a lot of tools. Alright, so let us start with that. So you can see exploring tools from GitHub. So 3 tools I have selected for now. You can explore as much as tool as you want, but as I don't have much time here, so I'm just showing you 3 tools that you can install. After that, you can explore as many as you want. So the first one is the Harvester. So I came to Linux. First, what I have to do is I have to open any browser. After that, I can just search for info gathering tools GitHub. I'm just searching for GitHub. All right, let me just open it and then I'll find Sherlock. So not only Sherlock, you can find social analyzer, Spiderfoot, phone infoga, the Harvester, hacker roadmap, OWASP, AMAS. So there are a lot of tools, what I mean to say. All right, so I'll just explore few of them so that you understand the process of how to install it. So the first one is, let's say Sherlock. I'll just click on the link and then it will open up. So what you have to do is, first you can read few things about it. So let's say, okay, so this is the main code. So you can just go through it. Here it is readme file. So here installation method is given. All right, so I'll directly install. So we'll try to find how we can install. So it will be somewhere here. You have to just read it. So accounts found will be stored in individual text file with the corresponding username. All right, so let us see how we can install. So basically what this tool will be doing is, this tool will be finding out a username and it will try to find all the related username with that particular name. All right, so in the installation process, here you can find GitHub directly. So you can see this thing. So what we'll try to do is, either you can do directly from here, or what I'll do is I'll just copy this and I'll go to terminal and I'll just paste it. So automatically it will be installed in your system. All right, after that you can check for usage. Once you are done, so what you have to do, Sherlock and the username. So what I'll try to do is I'll try one Sherlock Sonu. All right, let's say I'm searching for Sonu username. So press enter and wait for some time and it will be giving you all the profiles that starts with name Sonu. All right, so as you can see, 7 cups, all my links, audio jungle. You have to wait for some more time so that it can tries to find all the related username in all the social media accounts or whatever pages or websites available. So you can see it found out more information. Code Forces is there, BuzzFeed, Bitbucket. So it will try to find all the related accounts. So I hope you are understanding this. It is very simple. So what I'll try to do is, all right, so let me try to search another one. Let's say Sherlock Bill Gates. I'm just trying out. All right, so Sherlock Bill Gates. So with the name of Bill Gates, all these accounts are there. It might be him, it might not be him, but it just says that this name is present in that particular account. All right, again you have to wait for some more time, and then you can see all the accounts related to it. So yeah, very interesting tools it is. So meanwhile, I'll try to see what is the next. So next one is Red Hawk. All right, so you can see a lot of username are there present in this name. So I'll try to stop it. All right, so you can see this particular Sherlock folder in your home also. So you can see it in here. So it is downloaded the file here so that you can access it. All right, next let's see Red Hawk. All right, I'm just directly searching Red Hawk GitHub. Let's see this. So I'll just click on here and I'll go for usage installation process. So directly it is there, or you can directly just copy this, go to the terminal. What I'll do is I'll just go out from this directory and then I'll write git clone and then the, okay, I think it is not copied properly. So what I'll do is I'll again copy it, paste. All right, so it is done. You can see it. Now what I'll do is I'll go down and then, so you have to open cd Red Hawk, the folder you have to open it. So cd Red Hawk. After opening folder, you can directly run a PHP file rhawk. So PHP file. So you can see the files out here, all the files available. rhawk is there. So what you have to do is PHP file rhawk. So you can press on tab, directly it will come. You can see that this tool is working. All right, so here you have to enter one website name so that it can scan. All right, it is basically a scanning tool, all kind of scanning tool. So I'll just write one website name here. So let's see for two, one for HTTP, second for HTTPS, and it is saying choose any scan. So let me choose for basic Reconnaissance 0. All right, so you can see it, basic one they have given. All right, if you want something else, let's say again two, and let's say 1. So who is lookup, again it will scan, enter to continue, and let me choose 1. All right, so again sometimes it will give, sometimes it will not, it is not sure, but you can try out different options that are available here. All right, again a wonderful tool, a very popular one. So I'll just stop it for now. Also you can see it that this tool is also available in the local file. All right, so now last one, that is Sherlock. It is done, I guess, the harvester. So now we'll try for the harvester. All right, so just go back and Sherlock, this is, I think harvester was there. So directly I'll type the harvester. So it is there. What I'll do is go down. It is an installation, or directly it is there. I'll just copy it, go to command line and then copy. Alright, automatically it will be done. After that, so what I have done is I have installed inside the Red Hawk. So what I'll try to do is I'll again try to install it outside. Alright, it is installed in the wrong folder. So I have installed the harvester. Then what I can do is I can run it. So I'll just type and see whether it is, the H is capital, so the harvester, and then you can see this logo. If this logo comes, means it is done. So after that, what I'll do is the harvester, it is said -d, and the domain name I have to give. So I'm giving a website name, newrec.com, -b is source, and then I'll just type all. Alright, all the options I'm selecting. So let's check it out. So it will search for all the APIs if it is available. Alright, here it is missing, but you can search for any other website that are available. Alright, so again, a wonderful tool that you can use to find out a lot of information like APIs and many other options. So all the options are here present. Alright, so I hope you are clear with, I have just shown you 3 of them. You can install as many as you want and try to explore it. Alright, so here you can see a lot of other tools are there. So as a ethical hacker, what you have to do is you have to have the curiosity of how these tools are working. Alright, so install this and see how it works, and that's it. I hope you have understood this video. If you are liking it, do not forget to share this with your friend, and do not forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you. We'll meet you in the next video. Bye bye.